Today we're diving into one of the most shocking crash test results of 2026, the India-made Toyota Starlet. Exported to South Africa, has just scored 0 stars for adult occupant protection in Global NCAP's latest round of testing. Yes, 0. Let's break down what went wrong, how it compares to the Toyota Glanza in India, and what this means for buyers. The Toyota Starlet is essentially a rebadged Maruti Suzuki Baleno, built in India and shipped to South Africa. In India, the same car is sold as the Toyota Glanza, which recently scored 4 stars in Bharat NCAP. So how did one version pass with flying colours, while the other failed miserably? Global NCAP tested the South African spec Starlet equipped with just 2 airbags and ESC, adult occupant protection, 0 out of 34 points. Body shell rated unstable. Frontal crash showed only adequate chest and leg protection. Side impact was disastrous, poor head and chest protection, no side airbags. Child occupant protection, 29.33 over 49 points, earning 3 stars. The 18-month-old dummy was safe, but the 3-year-old dummy's head hit the interior, with poor chest protection in side impacts. Global NCAP CEO Richard Woods called it a shocking 0-star result, highlighting the unstable body shell and poor head/chest protection. In India, the Toyota Glanza scored 4 stars under Bharat NCAP. Why the difference? The Glanza tested had better structural integrity. Bharat NCAP protocols differ slightly from Global NCAP. Equipment levels vary. Higher Glanza trims offer up to 6 airbags. While the tested Starlet only had 2, this shows how market-specific equipment can drastically change safety outcomes. After the backlash, Toyota has updated the South African Starlet with 6 airbags, including side head and body units. Global NCAP has already purchased the revised model and will retest it soon. This is a positive step, but it raises a bigger question. Why weren't these features standard from the start? For South African buyers, the outgoing Starlet is a serious risk in side impacts. Waiting for the updated 6-airbag version is strongly advised. For Indian buyers, the Glanza fares better, but remember, airbags save lives. Always choose variants with more airbags and check NCAP ratings before buying. This case proves one thing: a car's safety rating can change drastically depending on where it's sold and how it's equipped. Don't assume identical performance across markets. What do you think about Toyota's 0-star shocker? Should manufacturers be held accountable for offering weaker safety in certain markets? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into automotive safety and tech.